In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a horror story video using Sora 2. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker or just dipping your toes into the world of digital storytelling, Sora 2 offers some exciting tools to bring your spooky tales to life. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open Sora 2 and sign in. If you're new to Sora 2, setting up an account is simple and straightforward, allowing you to access all the creative tools it offers. Once you're signed in, navigate to the option to create a new project. This is your blank canvas, and it's where the magic begins. Next, you'll need to write a horror prompt. Think about the kind of chilling atmosphere you want to create. Consider including specifics about the scene, the characters involved, the overall mood, lighting choices, and the type of camera angles you envision. For instance, you might picture an abandoned haunted house illuminated by flickering lights, inhabited by a shadowy figure with an eerie presence, and filmed with a cinematic slow zoom. All these elements help set the stage for a captivating horror story. Once you have your prompt ready, Sora 2 offers an optional step to add images, videos, or even a cameo to maintain character consistency. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to add depth and realism to your video by integrating personalized visual elements. However, if you're just starting out, feel free to skip this until you're more familiar with the platform. With your prompt in place, it's time to hit generate. Sora 2 will work its magic, bringing your vision to life. After reviewing the initial result, take some time to go through the video. Pay attention to the details. Do they match what you envisioned? If not, don't worry. You can always go back, tweak your prompt to refine the elements, and regenerate the video until you achieve the perfect blend of suspense and thrill. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to export your video. Sora 2 provides you with options to either download your masterpiece or share it directly depending on how you want to showcase your work. Perhaps send it to fellow horror enthusiasts for feedback, or share it on a platform where others can appreciate your spooky storytelling. And there you have it, a complete guide to crafting an enthralling horror video using Sora 2. By experimenting with different prompts and visual elements, you can harness the power of Sora 2 to captivate your audience and tell a spine-tingling story. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and remember, when it comes to horror, the only limit is your imagination.